Hi friends, welcome to July 2021 Current Affairs Part 3. Super 20 MCQs presented to you by Team Jnana Gangotri. Friends, if you want to take these questions as test again, you can download the PDF for free on JG's online classes app. Yes friends, a revision of the last class from Part 2 Current Affairs of Team Jnana Gangotri. Friends, the first question, recently India and which other nations signed MOU on refurbishing personnel administration and governance reforms? Question number 2, which ministry has implemented and established Sparsh for employees? Question number 3, who among the following is Union Law and Justice Minister? Friends, kindly do answer these questions in the descriptive box and we will promptly revert back to you. And friends, today's questions, you can just stop at the question like this and then you can answer, check with the key answer and move further. Yes, friends, beginning with today's question answer series. Two new underground spider species, Grevillea boro and Dexippus leini, have recently been discovered in which state? The answer is C, that is Assam. Two new underground spider species, Grevillea boro and Dexippus leini, have been recently discovered in the Jarbari range of Western Assam's Chirang Reserve Forest, Assam. The two spiders have been found from Bodoland territorial region and Grevillea boro is named after the Bodo community. Question number 2. When is World Population Day observed? Answer is A, that is July 11th. World Population Day is observed every year on July 11th to draw attention towards the issues arising out of rising population across the globe. The theme now is the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on fertility. Question number 3. India's first cryptogamic garden was inaugurated in which state? Answer is C, Uttarakhand. India's first cryptogamic garden housing nearly 50 species of lichens, ferns and fungi was inaugurated in Uttarakhand's Dehradun district. Around 50 species have been grown in the garden at Deoband in Jakarta at a height of 9,000 feet. Cryptogamic means hidden reproduction, referring to the fact that no seed, no flowers are produced. Thus, cryptogams represent the non-seed bearing plants. Question number 4. Who among the following was appointed as Nepal Prime Minister? Answer is A. Sher Bahadur Deoba. Nepal Supreme Court reinstated the parliament and also ordered that Sher Bahadur Deoba be appointed as the Prime Minister. The parliament was dissolved by caretaker Prime Minister K.P. Sharma Oli in May. Nepal was thrown into a constitutional crisis after Mr. Oli lost a confidence vote on the 10th of May. Nepal's president is Bidya Devi Bhandari. Question number 5. Recently, which bank signed an MOU with Indian Army offering a salary package with best-in-class benefits and features under its Pass Salute program? Answer is D, Axis Bank. India's third largest private bank, Axis Bank, signed an MOU with the Indian Army offering salary package with best-in-class benefits and features under its Pass Salute program. As part of this exclusive package, Axis Bank will offer numerous benefits to all ranks of Army officers. Question number 6. Which football team lifts Copa America 2021? Answer is A, Argentina. Argentina beat Brazil 1-0 in Saturday's Copa America final to secure the national team's first title in 28 years. Lionel Messi won his first major international title with his national team. Question number 7. Recently, India and which nation signed a MOU for execution of 679 megawatt Lower Arun hydroelectric project? Answer is B, Nepal. A memorandum of understanding has been signed for execution of 679 megawatt Lower Arun hydroelectric project in Nepal between Sutlej Jal Vidyut Nigam under Ministry of Power and Investment Board of Nepal in Kathmandu. The project will not have any reservoir or dam and will be a tail-race development of 900 megawatts Arun 3 HEP. The project will have 4 Francis-type turbines. On completion, the project will generate 2,970 million units of electricity per annum. Question number 8. Which nation has become the first to adopt Unified Payment Interface (UPI) standards for its QR deployment? Answer is D, Bhutan. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and her Bhutanese counterpart Leonpon Namgye Tshering jointly launched Bhim UPI in Bhutan. With this launch, Bhutan has become the first country to adopt Unified Payment Interface standards for its QR deployment and the only country to both issue and accept Rupee cards as well as accept Bhim UPI? Question number 9. Recently, Yashpal Sharma passed away. He was associated with which sport? Answer is A. Cricket. Former Indian cricketer and 1983 World Cup winner Yashpal Sharma died of heart attack. He played a pivotal role in the cup by scoring 240 runs at an average of 34.28, including a match-winning 60 against England in the semi-finals. In his test career, he scored 1,606 runs at 33.45, which included 2 centuries and 9 half centuries. In ODIs, he scored 883 runs at 28.48, which included 4 half centuries. He also had 1 wicket each in the 2 formats to his name. Question number 10. Which state is to host Khelo India Youth Games in 2022? Answer is C. Haryana. Haryana government has decided to organize Khelo India Youth Games 2021 in February 2022 in view of the possible third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Around 8,500 players are likely to participate, of which 5,072 will be athletes, 2,400 females and 2,672 males. Question number 11. Shyam Srinivasan tenure as CEO extended in which among the following banks? Answer is D, that is Federal Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has cleared the reappointment of Shyam Srinivasan as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Federal Bank for a period of 3 years. Srinivasan has been in charge of Federal Bank since September 2010. Question number 12. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar sworn in as Governor of which state? Answer is A, Himachal Pradesh. Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar at 67 took oath as 28th Governor of Himachal Pradesh. Acting Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court Justice Ravi Malimat administered the oath of office. Question number 13. Sony India Software Center Private Limited and which institution have joined hands to organize a national level hackathon named Samvedan 2021 Sensing Solutions for Bharat? Answer is D, IIT Madras. IIT Madras, Pravartak Technologies Foundation and Sony India Software Center Private Limited have joined hands to organize a national level hackathon based on the SPRE, SE and SCTM board named Samvedan 2021 Sensing Solutions for Bharat. The foundation aims to inspire citizens to use IoT sensor board in order to solve India-specific problems of societal interest. Question number 14. Who among the following won the Euro 2020 Golden Boot? Answer is C, Cristiano Ronaldo. Portugal captain and modern-day great Cristiano Ronaldo won the Euro 2020 Golden Boot after finishing as the top scorer in the tournament. Italy goalkeeper Leandro Donnarumma claimed the Player of the Tournament award. Italy beat England in the final to lift their second European Championship title. Question number 15. Recently, Cabinet approves MOU between India and which nation on cooperation regarding coking coal, which is used for steel making? Answer is D, Russia. The Union Cabinet has approved the MOU between Ministry of Steel of the Republic of India and Ministry of Energy of the Russian Federation on cooperation regarding coking coal, which is used for steel making. The MOU will provide an institutional mechanism for cooperation in the coking coal sector between India and Russia. Question number 16. India's and Asia's first national dolphin research center will come up in which state? Answer is B, Bihar. India's and Asia's first national dolphin research center will come up on the bank of the Ganges in the premises of Patna University, Bihar. The Gangetic River dolphin is India's national aquatic animal. It's a Schedule 1 animal under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It has been declared an endangered species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Question number 17. Which city hosted SEO Foreign Ministers Meeting 2021? Answer is A, Dushanbe. The foreign ministers of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization began a key meeting of the grouping in Tajikistan capital Dushanbe with a focus on evolving the situation in Afghanistan. India has shown keen interest in deepening its security-related cooperation with the SEO and its regional anti-terrorism structure, which specifically deals with issues relating to security and defense. Question number 18. Which state government collaborates with Google to provide real-time bus tracking? Answer is B, Delhi. The Delhi government has collaborated with Google to launch a system to enable commuters to track bus locations, arrival and departure times, and routes on real-time basis on their smartphones. Question number 19. Which nation develops India's first conjugate vaccine against COVID-19? Answer is D, Cuba. Biopharma, Cuba's state-run corporation, recently announced that its indigenously produced Soberana 2 vaccine was 91.2% efficacious in phase 3 trials. The Soberana 2 vaccine is said to be the first conjugate vaccine against COVID-19. If approved, this vaccine is considered unique as it is the only conjugate vaccine that combines the virus receptor binding domain with a deactivated form of tetanus in order to boost the immune response. Question number 20. Which state recorded maximum deaths due to lightning strikes since 2019? Answer is C, Bihar. According to India's second annual lightning report, Bihar has reported the most deaths due to lightning between April 1st, 2020 and March 31st, 2021. That is 401 deaths, followed by Uttar Pradesh 238 deaths, Madhya Pradesh 228, Odisha 156 and Jharkhand 132 respectively. Bihar saw a 168% increase in lightning strikes in 2020-21, followed by Haryana 164%, Puducherry 117%, Himachal Pradesh 105% and West Bengal 100% respectively. Friends, that's it for today. And Jnanagangotri is offering PSI Paper 2 Booster Series. You can just attend our test series. And also, Jnanagangotri's offline classes are scheduled to begin on August 10, 2021. Friends, Jnanagangotri is 100% COVID protected and we are floor sanitized. Please do call us for more information on 9916399276. Join me again in the next session, friends. Keep studying. Thank you.